The brush and holder consists of the brush holder, the carbon brush and lead, and the brush tension spring. If your tool's motor is overloaded, it can overheat the brush assembly. This can damage the brush, the tension spring, and the holder. The brush and holder makes it easy to repair your tool in this situation. Replacing the brush and holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the tool. With the cover removed, I have access to the first brush holder. To remove it, I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull it away from the housing. Then I'll remove the wire lead. To install the new brush holder, I'll install the wire lead, align the brush holder bracket with the housing, and press it into place. Then I'll tuck the wire back into the housing. And I'll repeat this on the brush holder on the other side. And I'll reinstall the housing. And that's how easy it is to install the brush and holder in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up